Hello, welcome back to the channel. Can you guess which SIP style gives you the best returns? That is daily, weekly or monthly? I tested all three using the actual ETF data and calculated the XIRR to find the most profitable one. Most investors don't realize timing can make or break your long-term gains, even when the amount stays the same. So stay tuned because the results may encourage you to change your SIP settings today. So as you can see, I have this daily, weekly, and monthly and on dip. So I'll come to this monthly and on dip later, but let's go through the daily, weekly and monthly. So what I have done is I have taken this Nifty Bees and the investment is 20,000. So this seed is about the frequency which is daily. So when we see that if we invest daily, there are around 20 to 22 days every month for investment. So what we have done is we have taken the max investment daily as 1000 rupees. Okay. Now I have created this seed keeping in mind that I will start from 2020. Okay, so mostly May, just before May, that is last April 2020 we have started till today. So what I'm doing is that I have get this date and the close price of every day from the last 5 years. So as you can see, if I go down till 5/9/2025, that is yesterday, and then we have got the close price. And what is the investment? That, as I said, the max investment is 1000. So how many units I can buy from that? That is 10. So it is just like a round I have taken, and so sometimes the investment is around less than 1000, sometimes more. So basically we have taken a round of that. Okay, and then we have calculated what is the value of that investment today. So if, say for example, on 28 April 2020, if you have invested 993, the value of that today is 2684. Like that we have calculated. This is required for calculating the XIRR. Okay, so now what will be the current market value? If we have invested, we have got around how much? 6663 units till now. So the value as of today is 17,88,948. Okay, and the XIRR is 14.60%. Now coming to the weekly. So weekly, again the investment is 20,000 and the max investment, it should be weekly, max investment weekly, let me change it. Okay, so max investment weekly is 5,000 rupees. Okay, so then again I have started from 2020, April last 2020, and then we have taken till today, that is yesterday, 5/9/2025. Okay, so now the current market value is 18,41,475. Okay, and the XIRR is 14.63%. As you can see, it is little more than the daily. So daily was 14.60%, the weekly is 14.63%. Okay, now coming to the monthly. Again, so the investment is 20,000, frequency is monthly. So max investment, again this is monthly. So the max investment monthly is 20,000. Again, we have taken from 30 April 2020, and every month last day we are investing. So as you can see that on 30th April 2020, if we have invested 20,000, the value would be 51,550. Similarly, we have calculated till yesterday, that is 9/5/2025. Okay, and then the price was 268.49, and till now the investment would have been, total investment would have been 12,39,629, and the current market value is 17,85,190. Okay, and the XIRR is 14.82%. See how it has changed from 14.60% to 14.63% to 14.82%. Okay, now I've also done one more calculation. Okay, this is about daily, weekly and monthly, and monthly is the best way to invest. Okay, this is what we have calculated. Okay, and then there is one more options, monthly and on dip. That means we will be investing 20,000 every month. Okay, that is for sure. Also, we will also invest 1,000 rupees when we will be investing 1,000 rupees whenever the market goes down by 1%. Say for example, today, if Nifty has gone down by more than 1%, we will invest that 1,000 rupees. So that also I have simulated. As you can see, on 30th April 2020, we have invested this 20,000. Okay. On 4 May 2020, the Nifty has gone down by minus 5.16%. Okay, means it has gone down by 5.16%. So we have invested that 1,000 rupees. That is, the investment done is 988. Similarly, on 5/5/2020, it has gone down by minus 1.16%. So we have invested this 967 rupees. And this is how we will be doing the investment. Okay, till yesterday. Okay, I think there is a problem. The investment has not taken into effect, and I will this. Okay, now so the investment done till now is 14 lakh 7,287, and the current is 20 lakh 12,332, and the XIRR is 14.89%. As you can see, it is more than what we are doing monthly. I know it is not like a big change, but still, when you are doing this monthly and on dip, you will be getting more XIRR. Now, say we have done for Nifty Bees. Now let's say if I do the same thing with Bank Bees. This is nothing but Nifty Bank. Okay, let it run. Okay, there is some problem. All right, I will just give one more day. Set one row above. Okay. So the XIRR comes as 14.97%. Okay, for Bank Bees. Now for weekly, let me change it to weekly. There is some problem. Okay, so it was not taking 5/9/2025, so I have given it this. So let me calculate the Bank Base share price. So it is 550.50. So let me copy that, paste it here, and then I guess now, yes. So the XIRR is 15.10. Again, it is more than the XIRR of daily. So now coming to the monthly. So the investment is 20,000. Again, the frequency is monthly, and the current market value is 18,22,044, and the XIRR is 15.19%. Whereas in the weekly it is 15.10%, and the daily is 14.97%. Now coming to the monthly and on dip. So for NSE Bank Bees, if we would have invested 20,000 every month, along with that 1,000 rupees whenever it gone down by means more than 1%, then the XIRR is 15.46%. So if you have to decide to do the SIP between daily, weekly and monthly, the best is to do monthly. Okay, as you can see, the XIRR is more than daily, then weekly. The monthly is more. Okay, we have checked that. So this XIRR we have checked in Nifty Bees as well as Bank Bees, and you can check it in any of the ETF. I'll be sharing buying ETF daily, weekly and monthly, the whole Google sheet, so that you can do your analysis also, that which is the best option to buy between the daily, weekly and monthly. But if you have to ask me between Nifty Bees, like in Nifty Bees and Bank Bees, the best is the monthly. But if you can do, then the best is monthly and on dip, because it is actually giving a very good percentage. That is, XIRR is very good, 15.46%, when you are just tweaking your SIP things. That to give you an idea that we will be investing 20,000 every month. Okay, along with that, whenever the market goes down by more than 1%, we will be investing just 1000 rupees more, so that our XIRR will increase in future. Along with that, our wealth will increase in future. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please comment that have you liked it, or do you want any other analysis on any other strategy. Do let me know. Thank you for watching.